Apple released iOS 18.6 stable version to all the compatible iPhone and iPad models after several public beta and developer beta testing. If you are using any of the iOS 18 version, now is the perfect time to update to the latest stable iOS 18.6 version. This update fixes a photo memory sharing bug as per the release note, and there are no other mention about the bugs that has been fixed with this update. But Apple never mentions all the bug fixes details in their release notes. So apart from that, they have also fixed 20 plus security fixes in this update. So it is very important to update your iOS 18 running iPhone and iPad to the latest iOS 18.6 version. If you are using iOS 17 version on your iPhone XS, XS Max and above version, if you were waiting for the stable iOS 18 release, then now is the perfect time, because this 18.6 update so far in the beta have got good reviews when it comes to the battery drain, the overall battery performance, user experience and apps compatibility, and the overall performance. There were no issues reported, so it is perfectly all right to update to the iOS 18.6 if you want to experience all the iOS 18 features with your iPhone and iPad and you were waiting for a stable iOS 18 release. One important thing is, if your iPhone battery health is around 80% or below 80%, then it is good to stay with the iOS 17 version and not to update to the latest iOS 18.6, because after updating you may notice further battery health reduce if there is any refresh due, and you may experience fast battery drain as well. So my suggestion is, consider changing the battery at Apple Service Center and then you may update to the latest iOS 18.6. So the poor battery health could result in the performance issues if you update to the latest version. Apple also released watchOS 11.6 and macOS Sequoia 15.6 version with the same 20 plus security fixes. So it is important to update your Mac computer if you're using one, to the latest macOS 15.6 version to receive all those security fixes. There are no features and changes, big changes added in this update. And in upcoming days, we are going to see only iOS 18.6.1 and 6.2 versions, the minor bug fixes and security fixes if there is any such issues reported. Apart from that, there is a very less chance for iOS 18.7 unless the Apple promised Apple Intelligence features are still pending. The improved Siri version are still pending for iOS 18 devices. So only if there is any Apple Intelligence specific major update has to come, then Apple may consider iOS 18.7 update with Apple Intelligence and Siri improvements exclusively for iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max and higher models. For all other possibilities, we can expect the iOS 18.6.1, 6.2 in the coming days, and this will be the last major version release, could be the last major version release for iPhone and iPad models that are compatible with iOS 18 version. So do share your thoughts after using the latest iOS 18.6 for like 3 to 4 days. Do share your experience in the comments below. It could help others to make the decision to update or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, you know what to do. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.